Hi, good morning again from Electronica 2024 with What's New Electronics TV. I'm joined this morning by James from Checksum. Good morning, James.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Yeah, enjoying the show so far?
Yeah, I really am. We've had a lot of traffic come to the booth, and it's always good to be here talking to our customers and new prospective customers.
Excellent. Well, tell me a little bit about Checksum.
So Checksum does programming in circuit as well as ICT and functional tests. We combine that into a one-step process for our customers. So we're in the in-circuit test and programming market.
Okay, great. Well, listen, I know that SMT lines these days are getting a lot faster all the time. And so how does that affect what you do?
Yeah, that's the real challenge for our customers is that, SMT lines, they make a big investment in their SMT to go very fast. And the boards today are getting smaller, so there's more boards built in each panel. And the SMT line, it can build a 2-up panel as fast as it can build a 10-up panel.
Right.
And so for test, that becomes a bottleneck because tests, typically you got to test each board individually. And so what's happening is a big buildup of untested inventory on the production floor.
Yeah, you don't want that.
No, because that represents risk.
Yeah.
Because you maybe have an issue with your process. And
Sure.
so that's what test is for, to catch an issue with your process. And so Checksum focuses on parallel tests to increase the test speed, to give faster test speeds and do more testing earlier in the test process.
Okay, great. Well, that probably leads me on nicely to what you're doing at the show and the new machine that you're showing here, the X2. Tell me what that has to offer and how that's unique.
Yeah, we're excited about the X2. As the name implies, it allows us to handle 2 panels at the same time. So we're able to transport and test 2 panels simultaneously. So that exponentially increases the output of our parallel test. The more we can fit in the system at the same time, the more testing we can perform. So our demo at the show is 2 6-up panels. So we treat it like a 12-up panel. So we're able to test and program those 12 at the same time.
Yeah. Great.
And if it was, a 2-up panel, then we can make it 4-up. If it was a 20, we can make it 40. And so you can see the speed increase that would give.
Yeah, fantastic. Okay. Well, obviously that leads on to real data, which is obviously going to be very important. So how does, what are you doing about that? How are you able to maintain that side of things?
Yeah, that's a trend in the industry. Everybody needs to have real-time data on their process, right? And test is an area where typically that's broken.
Yeah.
And they'll have built up hundreds or even thousands of boards that have not been tested, and that represents risk for them. So our parallel test combined with the new X2 gives new options for customers to get real-time data. They can connect that right to their SMT line or at least keep up with the SMT line. So they identify those faults before they've built up a lot of inventory that they may have to scrap.
Well, it sounds like it's a win-win for them.
Yeah, we're excited with the conversations we're having. We've got a lot of people coming to the show just to see this machine, and so pretty exciting.
Fantastic. Well, I wish you all the best for the rest of the show. Let's hope we get a load more visitors to the stand and the X2 takes off.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Thanks a lot. Nice to meet you.
Bye.